Is that your mouse? Yeah? What do you think? Is it a good mouse? Is it a good mouse? Huh? Let's see what you gonna do with the mouse. Oh, you like that mouse. Is that a good mouse? Now what you gonna do with it? Now what are you gonna do with it, huh? Are you gonna go fetch it? Let's go fetch it. Let's see if you can do that. Where'd you go? You didn't bring it all the way back. Go get it. Go get your mouse. Go get your mouse. Where's your mouse? Where is it? Huh? That's your... No, that's not your mouse. That's a fun toy. We like this mouse. Yes, we do. We like this mouse. Okay, let's see if you can fetch it. Alright. Can you see the little mouse? Yeah. Let's see if you can go fetch. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Whoops. Bring it back. Oh. That's it, huh? What do you think? You like that mouse? Yeah? Do you? You like the mouse?